In primetime news this evening, guilty man who tells court he killed 8 people to serve at least 66 years before he's eligible for parole. Child and elder perish in house fire in St. Elizabeth. And youth criminals, Clarendon police say parish's most wanted list dominated by teens.
On air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, a food expert is warning that microorganisms are threatening the local juice industry. He's cautioning manufacturers to be on the alert. I'll tell you all about it in the Financial Week.
And Jordan Fort, what's happening in sports?
Well, Archie, a Halfway primary school physical education teacher who pleaded guilty in the St. Andrew Parish Court on Wednesday could be facing a civil suit. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking what more can be done to keep the youth away from crime.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after this break.